Hey guys, hope you're doing alright today. I know today is kind of a stressful event. Good luck to whoever you want to win. I fully support you in your right to vote. What I'm here to show you is what I'm making tonight. This is going to make something that I usually get at the Thai place, which is, well, a variation on it, but it's the it's crispy pork, and it's supposed to be Chinese broccoli or Chinese kale, but I've got baby bok choy, which I'm going to use. So hopefully it turns out this is crispy enough already, and hopefully I can show you it put together. Alright, pork is done there. Mix in some garlic. And we're going to go with this. I got baby bok choy, but I know it's usually like Chinese kale or broccoli or whatever. So, alright, here we go. Alright, I did oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little sugar. Gonna add a little water. Alright, and then you throw this in there. That's been cooking for a little bit. I'm gonna throw this in there, and hopefully nothing falls while we're filming. There we go. Alright, then you mix it well. And this is like a dish I freaking love that I get at the Thai restaurant, but this is my version of it. Obviously, probably I got the proportions wrong. I probably less meat, more veggie, but that's what I got. And I think there's chili paste in here usually, but my kids don't like it spicy. So, all right, let's plate. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off, and I don't know if I can one-hand this, so. Yep, we can do it. We can do it. Si se puede. Yes, we can. Okay, there we go. I'll get that extra. That is it. That is it. Crispy pork, veggies, using soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little sugar, a little water. And this is what's for dinner. All right, guys. Have a good one.